The human body is an amazing machine. Complex, adaptable, and often simply unexplainable. There are things happening inside you right now that you have no idea about. Today, I'm going to tell you 10 facts about the human body that seem like lies, but are 100% true. Get ready, because number 7 will make you look at your own body in a whole new way. 1. Your stomach completely renews itself every few days. Did you know that the cells lining your stomach completely renew every 3 to 5 days? That happens because the acid inside is so strong, it could even dissolve a metal blade. We're talking about hydrochloric acid, with a pH between 1 and 2. If it weren't for this rapid renewal, your stomach would basically destroy itself in just a few days. Historical fun fact. In the 1800s, a doctor named William Beaumont performed experiments directly on a patient's open stomach wound, all to better understand this powerful acid. 2. Your brain produces enough electricity to light a bulb. Sounds like science fiction, but it's true. The human brain runs on constant electrical impulses. On average, it generates between 10 and 25 watts of electricity, enough to light up a small bulb. And even though it's only about 2% of your body weight, the brain consumes roughly 20% of your body's total energy. Extra fact. During sleep, your brain stays so active that, in some sleep stages, it actually uses more energy than when you're awake. 3. Your bones are stronger than concrete. It might not seem like it, but human bones are incredibly strong. To give you an idea, the femur, the thigh bone, is about 4 times stronger than concrete, considering its density and structure. 1 cubic centimeter of bone can support up to 9 tons of weight before breaking. Of course, how the force is applied matters, but structurally, the human skeleton is a true natural engineering masterpiece. 4. Your body glows, but you can't see it. Yep, you actually glow in the dark. The human body emits a very tiny amount of visible light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Japanese scientists discovered, using ultra-sensitive cameras, that our bodies release photons throughout the day, with a peak brightness around 4 p.m. But hold on, the intensity is about 1,000 times weaker than what the human eye can detect. So you're like a flashlight, just invisible. 5. You have more bacteria than human cells. If I told you that you're more bacteria than human, would you believe me? It's estimated that the human body has about 30 trillion human cells, but more than 39 trillion bacteria living inside and on you, mostly in your gut. This collection is called the microbiota. And without it, you wouldn't be able to digest food, produce certain vitamins, or have an efficient immune system. Fun fact, modern science has already started treating diseases by adjusting the gut flora. So, taking care of your bacteria is really taking care of yourself. 6. Your eyes can distinguish up to 10 million colors. Human eyes are impressive. They can distinguish up to 10 million different colors. And that's not all. Some people, mostly women, have a condition called tetrachromacy, which allows them to see colors that most of us can't even imagine. Historical note. The first color perception tests were done in the 19th century by Isaac Newton. And since then, the complexity of human vision has only fascinated scientists even more. 7. Your heart can keep beating outside your body. This sounds like a movie scene, but it's real. The human heart has its own electrical system to keep it going. That means that under certain conditions, it can keep beating outside the body for a few minutes, as long as there's enough oxygen. That's exactly why heart transplants are possible. Speaking of which, the first successful heart transplant happened in South Africa in 1967, performed by surgeon Christian Barnard, a milestone in medicine. 8. Your skin completely renews every 28 days. Have you ever thought about the fact that you're carrying a brand new version of yourself? Every month? Every 28 to 30 days, all the cells in the outer layer of your skin are replaced. On average, you shed between 30,000 and 40,000 skin cells every minute. Now think about it. A big part of the dust inside your house is made up of dead skin cells from you. Fun fact, in some ancient countries like ancient Egypt, body exfoliation rituals already existed, centuries before science understood this renewal cycle. 9. You're taller in the morning than at night. That's right. When you wake up, you can be up to 1 centimeter taller than you are at the end of the day. Why? During the night when you're lying down, the discs between your spinal vertebrae absorb fluid and expand. Throughout the day, gravity and your body weight compress those discs, and you shrink a bit. Extra fact, astronauts, when they spend time in space, can get temporarily up to 5 centimeters taller because of the lack of gravity. 10. Your body produces quarts of saliva every day. It might sound gross, but it's true. The human body produces on average 1 to 2 quarts of saliva per day. Over a lifetime, that adds up to more than 6,600 gallons, enough to fill a small swimming pool. But saliva isn't just there to help you swallow food. It contains digestive enzymes, antibodies that fight bacteria, and also helps heal wounds inside your mouth. Historical note: in traditional Chinese medicine, the quality of saliva was used to diagnose energy imbalances and illnesses. The human body is an extraordinary machine, full of invisible processes, unexpected reactions, and abilities we barely notice day to day. And the most fascinating part? There's still so much science doesn't know about it. Now tell me, which of these facts surprised you the most? Comment below. And if you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with that friend who loves weird facts about the human body. See you in the next video. And remember, you're way more incredible than you think.